Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing a letter for Santa. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. We're gonna start folding the paper in half. Then we're gonna take the bottom part and fold in half again. Now we're gonna flip it over and fold one more time. And then we're gonna open it. You're gonna flip it and we're gonna start drawing right here. So when we open the paper, it's gonna look like this, okay? So let's start with putting a little piece of paper in behind so the markers don't go through our paper, okay? We're gonna start here making a rectangle shape and this is gonna be the letter. So we're gonna leave a space and we're gonna start right here doing a line. And this is gonna be a space, and then we're gonna leave the same space in the other side, and we're gonna do a line to go down. Now let's join them together. So I leave a little bit of a space on the top, so the line is gonna go underneath the folding part. Okay. So you see it doesn't touch the folding part, and on the bottom we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna trace a line from side to side. Now we're gonna do a triangle shape. This is gonna go in the middle. So let's put a little dot right here so we can know where we're going. And now let's go on the left side and we're gonna trace a line to the dot. And now we're gonna trace another one that goes to the dot. There, so we got it. Now we're gonna do the hat on the top and we're gonna start with a curved line, little curve. And we're gonna do another one in the other side and we're gonna follow the same lines of the letter. Now we're gonna leave a finger space and we're gonna put one more. And from this line, I'm gonna go across to the other side. There. Now from this point to this point, we're gonna do a curved line. And we're gonna go around to the right side. There. Okay, this is it for the outside. Now we can open our paper and we're gonna work on the inside. Now we're gonna start with the face of Santa. We're gonna do two curved lines, passing a little bit of the lines that we have on the top. Then we're gonna do a line on the right side and we're gonna continue with the hat. And on the left side, we're gonna do a circle underneath here. So we're gonna do one big circle. There. Now here we're gonna do the eyebrows, and these eyebrows are gonna be really close to the folding part, but make sure they do not cross the line, okay? And these are kind of like rectangle shapes, and do not cross the folding part. They are very, very close. We're not crossing here, okay? Now let's do the eyes, and we're gonna do two letter U's, upside down letter U's, and we're gonna pass in the marker twice just to make it a little thicker. And in the middle, we're gonna do the nose. And here we're gonna leave a space and we're not gonna close it, we're just gonna leave it. Now in each side, we're gonna do the mustache and we're just gonna see half of the mustache. So we're gonna do a curve and it goes to the left, we pass, and then we're gonna do another one to the right. Good. We're gonna do two lines. One, it comes down here, and the other one is here. It's about the same height of each line, okay? And we're gonna start with the gloves. So in this line, we're gonna do an upside down letter U. The other side, the same thing. And now we're gonna do a backwards letter C. And this one just pass a little bit the folding part. The same thing here, a letter C. You see, you pass a little bit the folding part. And we're gonna cross here with another curved line and close here with another curved line. Now let's continue with the letter. Let's extend these lines here. So from this corner, we're just gonna follow. We're gonna keep going and we're gonna join it here with the glove. And this one, the same thing. We're gonna join up with the glove. Now let's close the bottom part right here and we're gonna follow along with the folding part over the folding part. We're just gonna join these two sides, and on the top we're gonna do the same thing. This line you can actually put it over the folding part. You can just follow that folding and go to the other side, And the last line is right here. We're gonna try to touch all these lines we did underneath the mustache, underneath the nose, and to the other side. There. And the very last thing is gonna be the sleeves. And we're just gonna go around the gloves, doing kind of like a rectangle shape with a very round corners. And the last thing is the elbows. So we're gonna go from this corner and to the bottom right here. So we're gonna go around and we're gonna join with this sleeve. Now let's do the other side from this corner to here, okay? We're gonna go around and connect. And there, that's it. We've finished this letter for Santa, who is excited for Christmas. Here you can write whatever you want to ask him. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my letter turned out. Remember, here is where you can write everything you want Santa to bring you. Underneath, you can put your name. And this is how it looks when we close the letter. And this is how it looks when we open it. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more lessons step by step and easy like this one. See you next time.